Started recording. Okay, we are going to see how this main method string args, why this main method string args is there, how this is useful to us. Okay, so we all know we can declare main method with a parameter called string args. Correct? Let us see. New class main args demo, main argument demo, main arguments, main class, main method arguments demo. Okay. So we finished this particular class creation. Not that we have a this one args. So we will try to print the args. What we have args. What is that? Okay. What is the args I can take? Okay. What is the args I can take? So now if you see here. So we will say run configurations. Okay. In these configurations, we can send arguments. What are those? We'll see. What are those? I'm sending the arguments. So I'll say apply and I'll say run. Okay, that's the previous class trial, I think. What happened? There is some length. There is some length. So now what we'll do, we'll send a 0th element. Do we have how to access the array? We know. Right? How we will access the first element? 0th. Oh, it takes out of bound exception, it is saying. Say run configuration. Okay. Inside these arguments are empty again. So it says achievement Kohli. 2 arguments means 0 and 1 I can supply. Yeah, now Sachin case. So from this, what did we understand? We can pass the input to main function also. Okay, main function also. Why? That's why we are using the string args. That's why we are using string args. So tomorrow from outside, you need to send input to me. This is possible. Rather than reading from the string. So now, in order to loop the data, so now how I can loop? So we all know how to write a loop. So I is equal to 0, I less than args dot size, I've got length, I've got length, I plus plus. We will print it. So what is that? Args of I. Okay, args of I is a semicolon of that. Args of I system.out.println. So yes, so what we'll do rather than having a big debate, but we can do system.out.println of. So how many arguments we have? How we'll pass arguments to the main function using a run configurations. Inside these arguments, we are saying that's it. So we okay. So now I'm sending the data, comma separate, like different data, space data. See, all that particular values are converted into our data. How it is looping? It is an array. We all know already. We are sending the data from the configuration. That is nothing but as an arguments, main arguments. How I will send a program arguments using, I think, run as arguments. Okay, run configuration. I will come here and pass the variables what I want. Okay, so now this is the one, and we see run as configurations and this. So command line. So how we are passing? We are passing like this. So demo.access. So normally in command prompt we should run this. So we'll say demo.access search in. Okay, clear? In this way we will run. So rather than that, what we have did, we have entered here. So how we will so now we do this, what will be the answer? Let me print one by one the comment. So how many, whatever we have passed, all the arguments can be given through, taken through our main method. Any arguments. But you should supply as a run configuration in Eclipse, whereas in command prompt, I showed you, you need to manually enter space, giving a space, so that it comes again. Clear? This is about the main function.